Do you ever wake up feeling tired before the day even starts? Like your mind needs a jump start just to focus, or your energy disappears halfway through the morning? You're not lazy. Your brain is simply overworked. That's why Neuro Energizer was created. A gentle daily super formula designed to help your mind feel clearer, brighter, and more awake. Naturally, okay? I'm gonna tell you all you need to know about it, guys, but I already left the link for the manufacturer's official website in the description below this video in case you need any more information, okay? While most people rely on caffeine or sugary pick-me-ups to stay productive, but those quick boosts fade fast, leaving you even more drained. What your brain really needs isn't stimulation, it's nourishment. Stress, poor sleep, and constant multitasking slowly deplete your mental energy, making it harder to think clearer or stay motivated. Neuro Energizer is a carefully formulated blend of nutrients and plant extracts made to support healthy brain function and natural mental energy. It helps your brain stay alert and focused without jitters, crashes, or relying on heavy stimulants. The goal is not to hype you up, but to help your mind work the way it's supposed to. Each serving of Neuro Energizer includes ingredients like B vitamins, magnesium, ginkgo biloba, among other ingredients. They all work together to support your brain gently from multiple angles, okay? So you can feel mentally steady and refreshed. Just take 1 or 2 capsules daily, ideally with your breakfast or early lunch. Most people begin noticing improvements in focus, mental energy, and overall mood within a few weeks of consistent use. This is a supportive formula, meaning its benefits build gradually over time, okay, guys? So you have to give the minimal treatment to it, the minimal time, so we can give you the results. The minimal treatment is of 3 months, okay, but I recommend you guys to do the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see lasting and effective results. My alert for you guys is where you're going to get it from, because there are a lot of places claiming to sell Neuro Energizer, but they are not the real product. So be careful with that. You can only guarantee yourself you're getting the real deal on the manufacturer's official website. That's why I left the link just below in the description box of my video. This is the only place you can purchase the original product that will give you real results, okay, with no side effects or contradictions. So I really recommend you guys to go right now, check some information out, and buy the product with discounts.